Hey, bad truck, wake up. It's time for the first day of school. Ugh. No, Nintendo Revingston, because like I keep saying to you, I don't want to go to school today because I hate school. How many times do I have to tell you this, bad truck? Attending school is a law. Now come downstairs and have some breakfast before you're late for school. A few minutes later... You know what, that's it. I give up. I need Jacob Daniel's help. Hey, Jacob Daniel, can you come over here? What is it, bro? Okay, so Bad Truck is not getting out of bed when I've told him several times. Can you help? All right. Okay, Bad Truck, that's it. Come with me. Wait. Hey, put me down, you idiot. When they got downstairs... All right, Bad Truck, here's your breakfast. Oh, God, finally, it's over. All right, Bad Truck, eat your breakfast or you'll be grounded. All right. Wait, what's that? Oh, no, that's the bus. I'm late. When Bad Truck got outside... Oh no! The bus is leaving without me! Hey you! Come back! When Bad Truck got to school... Good morning, class. So today, we are going to be learning about... Okay, Bad Truck, this is the second time this week that you've been late. If it happens again, you're gonna get a detention. You understand? I can only care about what you say less, Mr. Poo-Poo Gas. Oh, so you want to have this kind of attitude with me? Well, in that case, I'm adding up you're having a detention right after school today. Anyway, sit in your seat. Okay, fine. A few minutes later... Alright, guys, so we're now going to be learning about social studies. So... Man, I'm just so sick and so tired of my stupid school always wanting me to be here, and my stupid teacher, which is Mr. Poo-Poo Gas, and I'm even more sick and tired of my stupid classmates. Like, what should I do? Aha, I know. That just gave me a brilliant idea. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cause a fake lockdown to this school, so therefore they should learn when to respect me with not going to school. That's the great idea. Let's do this. Mr. Hallgas, what is it, Bad Truck? May I please use the bathroom? You sure may, but be back. All right. A few minutes later... Oh yes, that actually worked for real. Now it's time to go to Principal Hudson's office. Ha 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 ha. At Mr. Hudson's office. Alright, let's see if I have any new emails today. Oh, I got one from Mr. Blue Yoshi. Let's read it. Hello, Principal Hudson. So I would just like to discover you at 9:15, meet you at 9:15 to discuss Bowser Jr.'s behavior. Certainly, Mr. Blue Yoshi. Oh, so it's currently at 9:15. Oh, shoot, it's actually at 9:10, so I better get out of here. Ha 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 ha. Looks like Principal Hudson isn't here right now. So you know what? Before we cause this lockdown, I need to change my voice to sound like him. Nintendo News Logic, activate. Okay, this is awesome. Now my voice sounds exactly like Principal Hudson, so now it's time to cause this lockdown. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Beep. Attention all teachers and students. This is Principal Hudson speaking. I would just like to assign to you that we are actually in a lockdown right now because a large dump truck with 3 soldiers and with 3 guns have been spotted outside trying to break into the school. However, teachers close all doors, close all windows, and turn off the lights, and lock all doors, and students hide under your desks. Oh no, he's actually in the school. Hurry, everybody, hurry! That was freaking awesome. Now I just gotta change my voice back to normal. Nintendo News Logic, activate. Alright, now it's time to go back to class. A few minutes later... Oh, hey, Bad Truck, what are you doing? Oh, hey, Mr. Blue Yoshi, what's going on? So, Bad Truck, didn't you know that we're in a lockdown? Yes, I do know, Mr. Blue Yoshi, and I'm currently heading back to my classroom because I was in the bathroom. Oh, well, why don't you come to my classroom? It's a lot closer from here. All right, sure thing. All right, follow me. A few minutes later... Alright, here we are, Bad Truck. Oh, goody. Oh, shoot, it looks like all the desks are full, so Bad Truck, yes? Why don't you sit behind the whiteboard? Okay, sure thing. Wait a minute. Is that my boy Bowser Jr.? Yo, Bad Truck, what's good, bro? Hey, shh, we're in a lockdown. Now, Bad Truck, yes? Get behind there right now. Alright, sure thing. A few minutes later, beep! Attention all teachers and students. This is Principal Hudson speaking. I would just like to assign to you that we are no longer in a lockdown because everything was just a false alarm. However, Bad Truck, please report to my office right now. Uh-oh, this is not gonna end well for me. At Mr. Hudson's office. Hey, Mr. Hudson, why do you need me? Hello, Bad Truck. So, do you have any idea of who caused this fake lockdown earlier? No, what are you talking about? Well, you might want to come take a look at this. Take a look at what? Oh, you'll see. After watching the security footage, that can't be me. I would never do a thing like that. Oh, for the love of meatballs. Bad Truck, you actually think that this is edited? It's literal security footage. Why would it be edited? Well, Principal Hudson, it isn't what I think it is, so... Listen, Bad Truck, I absolutely cannot believe that you would cause a fake lockdown at school. Now, we have like 10 police officers outside because of what you did. That's it. You're suspended for 3 weeks. Go home right now while I call Nintendo Revingston about this. Oh, great. Here we go again. When Bad Truck got home... Bad Truck! How dare you cause a fake lockdown at school? This is by far the worst thing you have ever done. That's it. You are grounded for 1 month and you will not play any video games or go to Shark Darren's house during that time. Go to your room right now. Fine. Screw you, Nintendo Revingston, and screw you too, Jacob Daniel. What a load of garbage. And don't you be talking like that either.